How to delete your Ally bank account permanently. The very first thing you want to do is clear all of your balance. For that, transfer all of the funds out of your Ally checking, savings, or even the CD account via transfer, right? So if you simply tap on transfer on the application, you can make a transfer and clear out all of your balance. Then you can also ensure all of the pending automatic transfers, direct deposits, and bill payments are cancelled under payments. And lastly, finally try to close your account. For that, you'll actually need to get into the menu icon on the bottom right corner on the navigation bar, from where you'll be able to go to optimize or settings, and then from there scroll all the way down until you find close account. Tap on that one, select the reason, and choose where you want to send any residual interest. And finally, once all swipe accounts are closed, now a 0.00 balance will be shown, so you can now call the customer service at their number to verify your profile closer, and that's how you'll be able to delete your Ally bank account permanently.